Another fine vehicle offered by W.I. Simonson.
This is a 2008 Mercedes-Benz E350, a great fit and finish. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a 7-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, and this vehicle has fewer than 19,000 miles on the odometer. This Mercedes-Benz has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
W.I. Simonson is located at 1626 Wilshire Boulevard in Santa Monica. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.